Welcome. Today we'll be making these delicious beef kebabs that I can't wait for you guys to try. I have coriander, flour, ground beef that is about more than half a kilo. I have eggs, and also I have garlic and ginger paste. And I also have chopped onions here. I have paprika, black pepper, cumin, and a little bit of garam masala. Go ahead to add some salt to season it. Then we are going to add in the fried onion that we had set aside. Let's go ahead to use a wooden spoon to mix everything up if the onions are still hot, and then proceed to mix everything with your hands. Once everything is well mixed up, it's time for us to mold the ground beef into cylindrical shape, or the kebab shape that we know of. It's time to do the first step, and that is to coat it with your flour. Once that is done, it's time to coat it with your egg wash. This first deep frying, we're not supposed to cook the kebab completely. It's just to bind the egg. You can see how it looks. It's not that fluffy, so we are going to coat it for the second time with the egg wash. You can make this your last coating, but I will do one more time, and that gives me the fluffiness that I like. After this, I will coat it one last time, and then the last deep frying, I'll let it cook completely. So you can do 3 or 4 coats, but 3 works well for me. This will also be my last deep frying, and you can see the results. There you have the kebabs. They came out fluffy just like I like them, and the aroma was so beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe, and I want you guys to show you the inside as well. You can see how easy it is to slice, and it is not so compact, and that's how I like it as well. As you can see, our egg coating has given that beautiful golden brown color on the outside, and on the inside it is not brown or burnt because we were not completely cooking it when we were coating. And that is the importance of doing it step by step and letting the kebab completely cook only when you are done with the coatings.